Quizzes can serve a variety of purposes in a course other than just a quiz. The quiz activity can be used to give exams, study guides, as well as quizzes. These provide a summative and formative assessment of a student's understanding of course content. Using the quiz activity makes grading much easier than traditional methods. And most types of quiz questions can be graded automatically, and no work is required on your part. You can also insert videos and images into questions for students to reference and expand their quiz experience. Make sure you understand how a question type works before you use it. It's worth the time spent experimenting and practicing than dealing with the grading aftermath of an incorrectly used quiz question type. The most straightforward question types to use are true-false, multiple choice, and essay. But remember, essay questions need to be manually graded. With automatic grading, students will be able to see their score immediately unless you specify otherwise in the quiz settings. Creating a quiz from scratch can be tedious. But once you have built the questions, quiz creation is a breeze. You can reuse and recycle questions across your course and future courses with the question bank feature. Another useful feature is user override. You can adjust quiz settings for students with accommodation needs, such as giving them extra time or alternative test dates. Quiz questions can take quite a bit of time to set up, so make sure to give yourself plenty of time to build. To learn more about the quiz activity, visit the quiz section in Moodle Basics for Faculty.